Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you send copies of a document out for review to several parties, you can combine the returned copies containing the reviewer's changes, two at a time, into a single document that contains all the reviewer's changes. You can then use this master revised document to create a legal blackline document by comparing it to an original copy. To combine multiple reviewing changes into a single document in Word, first create a copy of the original document into which you can safely merge the reviewing changes. With this document opened, then open the first returned copy that contains the reviewing changes to merge. Then click the Review tab in the ribbon. Then click the Compare button in the Compare button group. Then select the Combine command from the drop-down menu that appears to open the Combine Documents dialog box. In the Combine Documents dialog box, use the Original Document drop-down to select the name of the unaltered copy of the original document. If you forgot to open the copy of the original document before opening the Combine Documents dialog box, either click the Open button, which looks like a folder icon at the right end of the drop-down, or select the Browse command from the drop-down menu to launch the Open dialog box, where you can then browse for and open the original copy into which to merge the reviewer's changes. After selecting the original copy, then use the Revised document drop-down to select the first reviewer's copy that contains the changes to merge into the document you just selected. If needed, you can also use the Open button or Browse command for this drop-down to select the document that contains the changes if you forgot to open it before opening the Combine Documents dialog box. After selecting the two documents, then type a label for any unmarked changes into the Label Unmarked Changes With field. Normally this is the name of the reviewer that made the changes to the revised copy of the document. Then click the More button to show any additional options at the bottom of the Combine Documents dialog box. Under the Show Changes section, you can select the word level under the Show Changes At option to show all changes at the word level versus the character level. This is the default, but you can change it if needed. Next, you could change the Show Changes In option to Original Document if you selected an unaltered copy of the original document for the original document choice. Doing this merges the changes in the revised copy into the copy of the original and labels any unmarked changes with the name of the reviewer. After setting the desired options, click the Less button to hide the options. Then click the OK button to merge the changes into the original copy. After merging the changes into the original copy, you can then repeat this process with the other reviewer's copies, merging each copy into your original copy to keep a master revised copy that contains all the reviewer's changes. Be sure to save any changes you need to keep while merging the changes from the reviewer's copies into your master revision copy. After you have your master revisions copy, you can then compare that copy to the original copy to create a legal blackline document if desired.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.